Thank you for watching John's Clunker Cars, everyone. I'm going to start working on this engine. We're gonna pull the valve covers off, see if the valves are stuck, and see what it looks like in there, and that'll tell us how to proceed. This one's the easiest to take off, so that's what we're taking it off first. Hopefully it looks good on the inside. Yeah. There is rust, but I was expecting a little worse, I guess. I'll take it. I'll take you guys in closer. All right, it's time to do the passenger side. I was gonna use a nut driver on some of these hose clamps, but they are rounded, so you can't use a nut driver on them. You have to use a screwdriver, so I'm gonna use this. That one is also full of rust. This goes into the trash pile. There we go. This side's probably gonna look like the other side. Ooh, a little worse. Yeah, this engine isn't gonna run anytime soon. Now it's made in the USA. So I went through and checked these. Obviously this engine needs to be rebuilt and taken apart, but I went to check for stuck valves. This side, some are not stuck. This side only one is stuck, but we have a collapsed lifter. We also have one collapsed over here. So you can see, quite wobbly. Gotta vacuum some more. There's the fast way to take that off. Gotta run the vacuum again. It's supposed to come off. We got a hose back here, I didn't notice. There we go. Oh yeah, much better. Nope. Not ready to come out yet. This engine is coming out. It will not run the way it is. So I'm getting it ready to come out. I'm trying to make everything easier by taking some stuff off to make it lighter and easier to work with. Got my super sharp pocket knife again. that's nice. Here I wanted to show you all, I got the oil filter off. It is a per 1 oil filter. There's oil in it, it's not fully full, but there's oil in it. Just wanted to let everybody know that I did get this worked loose, let it sit overnight, soaked in PB Blaster, and I can move it, but I'm just gonna slowly work it up and down because I don't want to break it off inside that head. Okay, here we go. See what mess we can make. No mess. That's plugged. Here's the front. That one plugged solid. This is what we're looking at here. This was the plugged side. That's what it looks like on the water pump. Plugged up with rust and gunk or whatever it is. I'm back. I didn't show any of the bolt removal underneath, but everything is unhooked and ready to come out. I forgot to drain the transmission. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. There's no oil in the cylinder. Okay, I think we got the jack figured out. So we'll see if that bled. Gotta wait for the transmission oil to drain a little bit. There's some on the floor. Yep. Need a Kleenex. It's also 27 degrees out right now. So